Hi everybody, I just wanted to have a quick chat with you today about the National Insurance health card here in Spain, known as the SIP card, SIP card. So for those of you now who have your residency approved in Spain and who haven't registered or who haven't had the approval done with funds and private healthcare, so for those of you who may be pensioners, have got the S1, or you're self-employed over here, or you're in a work contract, now's the time to get the SIP card and get yourself registered at the local doctors. In order to do that, you'll need to have your resolution, so your approval of your residency, so that's either the green card, the green certificate, the TIE card, or the actual certificate that approves you prior to getting the TIE card. So for those of you in that process, if you've got any of those, then what you need to do is either book your own appointment and go to the Social Security office at your nearest town. In our case it's Benidorm or Denia, dependent on where you're living, and then you need to sit there and explain to them very nicely that you want your SIP card, make yourself what's called alta, so live on the social security system, and they'll give you a social security number. Then you have to make your way to your local doctors, hand it all in, and they'll give you the SIP card. If all that seems too daunting, then all you need to do is give me a call, or Emma or Kate or Steffi or Marissa in my office, and we'll do it for you for a small fee, of course, got to feed the children. But what I need you to do, just bring everything in and we'll sort it all out for you, okay? So that's the SIP card, and this is what all of you need to do right now if you've been given your residency approval or if you already had the green card residency. It needs to be done now because as the vaccines are rolling out, then we need to make sure that you're registered at your local doctors so that you get that call when it's ready. Now, for those of you who are registered over here with residency on funds and private healthcare, then again, don't worry about going to the local doctors or getting an SIP card, a temporary one. There's been all these wild rumours flying around. There is nothing in place yet for that register to start giving you a temporary SIP. What they're actually recommending at the moment is register with your local doctors as in private health company. So if you're with DKV, for example, phone them up and find out who's your hospital, get yourself registered there on one of their doctors, so that when the town halls get in contact with all the local doctors, you will get that call. The other way is also do not panic. The Spanish government have confirmed that the virus is free for everybody who is resident in Spain, and that's with private health insurance or with state healthcare. How will they get in contact with you with private health insurance? When you registered on the Padron, you gave all your contact details over there, and each town medical centre will be going to the Padron and getting the details from you there and getting in contact with you that way. So do not worry, you will be in contact or be contacted one way or another. But if you're really worried about it all, get in contact with us and we will put you on our register, and when the time's right, if you haven't had the call, then we will make the call to your local medical centre and get you registered as well. So there's 3 ways of doing it. They're all fail safe. Stick with us, we'll make sure you're sorted.